I am Claude Potier and I work at the Salpêtrière Hospital in Paris. I am a CNRS person, researcher, director of research, and my research is oriented in Down syndrome field, and I am also part of the scientific committee of the Fondation Jérôme Lejeune, and I was part of the organizing committee of this Journée internationale Jérôme Lejeune.
Wonderful. So tell us about the organization of this event. This is wonderful. There are 30-some speakers here from various parts of the world. When you first began to think of this conference, what did you have in mind in terms of the sort of speakers that you wanted to invite? What was the process?
We first thought about organizing the conferences at different levels, and as you could probably notice, we had a first level at the genetic level, the DNA, and then we went to the cellular level, and then we went to the cognition and to the imaging, and we tried to go through all these levels and discussing about Down syndrome, Fragile X, and other intellectual disabilities. So really the idea was to try and link everything together with the level of analysis of what researchers are doing.
And it's interesting, the various perspectives on the direction research should take from the individuals who are represented here. It's been enriching for me to speak with them, and there are other people who are involved in genetics, and there are cellular biologists, and each of them have their own perspectives and their own particular gift that they're bringing, which seems really so essential for the work to advance as it should.
Mm-hmm. And there are some common features between different intellectual disabilities. So we have things to learn. Even though I mostly work on Down syndrome, I always look at different pathways that are affected in other intellectual disabilities. I think we learn a lot from this meeting.
Good. And what is your own specific focus of research in Down syndrome? What is it that you're pursuing?
I have been doing some work for a while. I've been working on Down syndrome for maybe 15 years now. So I have been doing some work on the cerebellum development. The big specialist is really Roger Reeves at Johns Hopkins University. But we have been doing some work, and this is very complementary to what he's doing. And recently we got interested in the GABA, and we tested a new type of compound that could be applied in clinics in Down syndrome individuals. And we did preclinical studies in mouse models. And we showed very interesting results showing that these compounds could bring really a benefit to the Down syndrome individuals in terms of cognition, because we showed in the mice that we could improve cognition deficits that are present in Down syndrome mouse models.
So is that related in some way to the cerebellar hypoplasia that Down syndrome individuals are?
It's not completely. It's more related to defects that are seen in the hippocampus, which is a region of the brain which is involved in learning and memory.
Interesting. Well, thank you again so much for taking some time to speak with us, and very best of luck in your work, and we'll hope for great success in your research.